Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making very delicious yummy chicken pulao today. First we will marinate chicken, then I will tell you about the whole process of making yummy chicken pulao inshallah. To marinate chicken, I have chicken 1.5 pound, black pepper powder half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, paprika powder half teaspoon, oil 1 tablespoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Let's mix everything in chicken and marinate it for 2 hours. Keep it in fridge while marinating, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We marinated our chicken. Now we will make masala for rice. And what you need to make are basmati rice 3 cups. Wash and soak them for an hour. Cilantro leaves chopped half cup. Onion 1 medium size. Tomato 2 small size without seeds. Salt 1 teaspoon, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, whole spices, cinnamon sticks 2, 10 cloves, 10 black pepper and 2 bay leaves, green chilies 2, garlic grated 1 tablespoon, yellow food color 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, 1 carrot, make small cubes of it, oil half cup and cardamom powder half teaspoon. Let's start making delicious yummy chicken pulao with bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I added oil and onions in the pan and frying it on high flame for 4 minutes. When onion turns into light brown color, then add tomatoes and fry them together for 30 seconds. Then keep the flame low and add ginger and whole spices. Now cook them for 1 minute. Then add marinated chicken in it. Mix everything together and cook them for 1 minute on high flame. It already looks delicious, mashallah. Now add 4.5 cups of water. Then add coriander powder, cardamom powder, cumin seeds and salt in it. Stir it, then cover it and let it boil on high flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start boiling after 30 minutes. Now keep the flame medium low and let it cook for more 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, add carrots and green chilies. Cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add cilantro leaves and rice. Mix them together and keep the flame high at this point. Now add yellow food color and mix it in the rice. Keep the lid open while cooking. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rice took 6 minutes to absorb liquid in it. Now cover them with kitchen towel wrap lid and cook them for 14 minutes on very low flame. And after 14 minutes, alhamdulillah, very delicious, aromatic, yummy chicken pulao is ready. Mashallah. Let's enjoy them together with bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious. Yummy chicken pulao is ready. It is a unique recipe. Enjoy it and share with your family and friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Court, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.